Hi, I'm glad to introduce new product in Acetech in this year IWA. This one is our tracer unit Blaster AK. Here we got a location slot for your AK, and you can easily adjust the location for the correct position with your AK fresh hider with blaster frame effection. And here is our new product, Blaster-C. It's a different than original one. You can see the original tracer is kind of wrong. We have a spatial shape, as more tactical looking, suitable for any kind of pistol, and a colorful choice for speedsoft or any kind of personal custom. And here we got two colorful choice for Bifrost. It's a different, new, and fresh. And here we got a new Quark-C. Quark-C is kind of light function than Quark-R we have before. Light function and a friendly price. And we have Genesis in last year, and also we have Genesis Lite. Light function, then Genesis and lightweight. Also we have holster adapter, and we can fit with Novritsch open host, and easily and quickly to attach and release. It's an old product new this year in IWA for Acetech. Thank you.